Hello, good morning. My name is Felix. I'm here to present about my experience in Orunmolase Computer Centre. So, here shows the outline of my experience in Orunmolase Computer Centre. We have, I think you all can see it now. We have about the Orunmolase Computer Centre, organogram of Orunmolase Computer Centre, and so on like that. I think you all can see it from that place. So, about Orunmolase Computer Centre. Orunmolase Computer Centre is available for computer services, which includes the computer training, the typing and documentation, and so on like that. I think you all can see it on the screen. So, the officials in Orunmolase Computer Centre, we have the Chief Executive Officer, the CEO of this company, Samuel Orunmolase Abiodun, and the ICT manager, Minga Orunmolase Manuel, known as GU. And we have the technical director, engineer Orunmolase Sunday, and the computer programmer, Moderator Olugbade Akintunde, the contributor of this company, known as to now start. So, this is the organograms of Orunmolase Computer Centre. I think with the Orunmolase B&E service, Nigerian Limited, the Orunmolase Computer Centre, oral production, Orunmolase BB and engineering services. So now we are going to talk about the introduction of computer. The computer is a device that accepts data, processes data, and deals with information, and also manipulates the device for some results based on a program, software, or sequence of instruction on how the data is to be processed. So, next we are going to talk about the input devices. The input devices, it is anything you can use to command the computer for a specific task. For example, these are the example of input devices. You have the keyboard, the mouse, the printer, and the joystick. For example, maybe you're having a keyboard. Whatever you type on the keyboard, will definitely show on the monitor. Or whatever you type on the keyboard, you bring out information from the printer or from the scanner and so on. So the examples of this an example of input device, the keyboard. Whatever you type on the keyboard, you show on the monitor. So that's an example of an input device. We have the output device. Output device are devices that can bring out or display information that is being processed. Maybe when we are talking about output devices, the example of output devices are printer, monitor, speaker, and projector. They are the device that brings out information that you have typed into the computer. They bring it out. That's an example of an output device. This is an example of this is a speaker. This is a diagram of a speaker. So that's an example of an output device. And the equipment and machines in Orunmolase Computer Centre. The Canon 7 printer, this printer is used for printing passports. This type of printer is different from the black and white printer and the color printer. This one is used for printing passports. The perforated, the one punch is used for making hole in a paper. You can use to make hole on a A4 paper or another kind of paper. So we have the stapler used for attachment of two papers. The laminating machine is used for laminating a file to avoid any damage or contact. This is the laminating film. Laminating film is a polyester that is used to cover the file to avoid damage or contact to the paper. So that's all about the machines and equipment in Orunmolase Computer Centre. So this here shows the desktop environment. So they say the desktop environment is a graphical user interface that enables a user to access or manage frequently access features on the operating system. I think most people that are trained in Orunmolase Computer Centre, the boss must have taught you about the taskbar and the notification bar. Here shows the icons and the desktops. So this is an example of a desktop environment. So this typing master and Mavis. Mavis speaking is a typing tutor that offers comprehensive typing, or that which it also upgrades the typing efficiency. Anybody who engage into typing master and Mavis, we have more, or we upgrade the individual's typing skills or typing speed. So that's That's it about typing master and values. Now, this is a Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a program in which a Word document is processed by typing series of words to make a file of document. Now, here shows the picture of a Microsoft Word. This is the size of that 116 is the size of the A4 paper that is being placed that you want to type on. This is the size. You can increase to any. You can increase it to 100 or you can just decrease it. So this Microsoft Excel is a program in which document is being created. It can be used as mathematical operation for a particular document. It also includes rows and columns. You can use Microsoft Excel for mathematical operations. You can calculate as long as it may be. You can calculate. So this is the picture of Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft PowerPoint is mainly used as presentation for a particular project. This is the picture of Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see, it's quite different from Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint with the edges that you can see on this picture. So this you can increase to any size. You can increase to 100, 150, 200 as long as you. So these are this is the recommendation of Orunmolase Computer Centre. Orunmolase Computer Centre should engage in advertisements either on radio or by other means for proper awareness. It's just like an advice from me to Orunmolase Computer Centre. They should engage in advertisements either on radio or by other means for proper awareness. Government should ensure equality of opportunity. All citizens must have access to these skills. They should adhere strictly to the rules and regulations guiding the affairs of the computer. Instead, Orunmolase Computer Centre should engage in advertisements either on radio or by other means for proper awareness. If this is done, more trainees will come to Orunmolase Computer Centre to have proper knowledge of typing skills and computer services, and this will invite more of the customers for you to have proper skills of different things in the Orunmolase Computer Centre. And government should ensure equality of opportunity. All citizens must have access to these skills. So government should not be biased or they should not engage in partiality. So that all the citizens in this country should have access to these skills, so that in future it will be of help for them. And trainees should adhere strictly to the rules and regulations guiding the affairs of the computer center. Likewise, our boss have said that if you obey to the rules and regulations in the computer center, you will come out in flying colors and it will be of help to you. Now, this is the conclusion. Computer and technology skills are important in every aspect of life, and all individuals must acquire skills. During the course of my 3 months computer training program, I was able to acquire typing and documentation skills. During the course of my 3 months programs, I was able to acquire typing and documentation skills because I was taught very well during my own reading. So, Orunmolase Computer Centre is one of the best computer centers in Ondo-Ekiti, and it is the best place to acquire computer skills. So, this is the reference. This is Orunmolase Computer Centre site. So, Orunmolase the ICT manager, and Isah Felix, IA, the Orunmolase Computer Centre. I came for the presentation in 2023. That's my presentation for today. Thanks for listening. Once again, my name is Felix. This is our time for listening.
A round of applause.